Hello, my friends. Today is totally terrific Tuesday. Yesterday, for our EL learning, we learned the different steps, which I'm going to talk about again right now, and about how to make a magnificent thing because we are going to get started on making our magnificent thing really soon. This week, we're working on the steps we're going to need to make our magnificent thing, and we're using our book, The Most Magnificent Thing, to see what steps she took so we know what steps we need to take. So let's talk about them real quickly, and then I'll talk about our assignment that we have for today. So we said that on page 3, she was thinking of ideas. She was making sketches. She decided the plans she decided the tools she was going to need and the material she was going to need. And we found out that that means you plan. And then on page 7, we remembered that she began to put things together. She tried out new things. She uses all of her materials and tools. That's when she was working, step 2. And then we talked about page 8. She looks at her magnificent thing. She decides if it's what she wants. How does it look? What can she do better? And she thinks of how to try again and make it better. That's the revise step. So today, my friends, what we're going to do is we're going to use a different sheet that is posted in your Google Classroom, and we're going to start making sketches. We're going to do step 1. We're going to start making sketches and ideas of what we think we want to make. And yesterday, during small group, we talked about some of those things. Now, remember, my friends, these are just plans. I'm not wanting you to come up with the idea, oh, I'm going to make this. We want to just plan. Maybe I want to make this. Oh, maybe I want to make this. So let me show you our guided question. Oops, for some reason it's all crooked. Hold on, friends. Our guided question looks just like this. Let me put it back in the plot spot. Here we go. What do we need to make magnificent things? What do we need? Well, we know the first step we need is we need to plan. So let's look at our learning targets first. Remember, our learning targets this week so far is I can describe the steps used in the most magnificent thing to build a magnificent thing. And those steps are plan, work, revise. And like I said yesterday, the other target is I can participate, meaning work together, talk in a discussion with my classmates about something that we need. And this time it's not at a classroom that we're in school, but a classroom that we're working on in home. Okay. So this is the page that will be posted on Google Classroom, and it looks just like this. And it says, My Magnificent Thing Sketches. And what you're going to do is you're going to write your name, and as before, you can always print this paper or just have someone write it out for you on your own paper. You're going to print your name. You can put today's date if you want to keep an idea of what day you did this on. And you're going to brainstorm. That's a big word. Brainstorm ideas of magnificent things that can help you learn and sketch your ideas below. So you are going to brainstorm those things today. And you're going to make sketches. And remember what I said yesterday, sketches are usually just done with one color or like with a pencil. I want you to make 2 sketches. You can either start with sketch 1 and then make it better and sketch it over and on sketch 2 and add some things of what you think you want to make. You do not have to decide exactly what you're going to make today. This is just the planning. This is when you get all those different ideas. Maybe in sketch 1, you sketch one thing. Well, I want to make this. Oh, well, I want to make this too. So make a different sketch in sketch 2. You are going to do sketches of what do you plan? What do you think that you want to make for your magnificent thing? And sketch your ideas below. That's what's posted on the Google Classroom. That's your lesson for today. If you need to go back to yesterday and listen to the video of the most magnificent thing again to think of some ideas, tomorrow for Wednesday, we are going to post a brainstorming video, and also we're going to just share some pages with you, and you're going to do some more sketches of different things that friends have made for their magnificent thing in the past to help give you ideas. But before we give you ideas, we want you to think for yourself. What's something I need? What am I gonna need to organize my work at home? What is something that would make wherever I work feel better about learning? What's something I need? And yes, we can talk about it during small group. And that's our lesson for today, friends. I hope you have a great, terrific Tuesday. I will see you during our guided reading lessons today. Come ready, come prepared with a paper and pencil or a whiteboard and a marker and an eraser. I'm looking so forward to working with you guys this week, and I will see you shortly. Goodbye, my friends.